Hi, today I'm going to show you how to turn off VPN in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then we need to select from the left panel network and internet settings, and here we need to go to VPN, add, connect and manage. Now on advanced settings for all VPN connections, we need to disable these options. We need to disable here allow VPN over multi-rate networks, so I click on this one white dot, and we need to disable this option allow VPN while roaming, so I click on this one white dot to disable it. And then we need to click again on network and internet settings, but this time we need to go to proxy settings. It will let you to adjust proxy server for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection settings. So I click on this arrow to open it, and now I need to turn off this option, automatically detect settings. Additionally, on manual proxy setup, we have option use a proxy server. Let's click setup and let's check if this option is turned off. It is very important to have this option turned off, so click save button to save changes. And now we need to go to network and internet settings one more time, and we need to find here advanced network settings. It will let you to view all network adapters and network reset. So I go to these options, then I need to scroll down and find here network reset option. It will let you to reset all network adapters to factory settings. So I go to this option and I click reset now. After that, this window will be displayed. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click yes button. So in this way you can turn off VPN in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.